Study anywhere, anytime with great trainer support. And become the skilled professional employers really want. You can enrol anytime, no deadline stress. You can study online with Monarch Institute from anywhere, in your own time and at your own pace. Online study allows you to learn on many different devices, so you can create a study space anywhere in your world. Studying online with Monarch Institute ensures you won't miss out on planned holidays, sports practice, or your weekly brunch with your bestie. The flexibility allows you to study anytime. No need to commit to compulsory classes. Studying online is dead simple. Our online system is easy to get around. And if you need support, we're here for you. You can reach out to your trainer via Facebook, Zoom, or email. Email them with any questions you have, or ask them for a callback at a time that suits you. Our exclusive Facebook group is a great community where you can engage with other students and your trainer. There is also a Zoom classroom so you can work through those niggling questions in real time. Our trainers are current industry professionals. They're not out of touch. They'll keep you up to speed with major changes in your industry. Because in the end, it's not just about theory. We're your partners on your education journey, helping you get the real-world skills you need to kickstart the career you deserve. So what are you waiting for? Contact Monarch Institute today.